introducing a little bit about myself. My name is Hartini Ayuning Tias, and I'm a student of English Language Education in Esa Unggul University. Today, I'm gonna tell you about public speaking material for the 10th session, and this is about outline speech. Well, what is the outline? Okay, speech outline is a display of the organizational pattern of the speech. Outlining in the speech is important to clarify and choose the best strategy for the speech. There are some steps to developing an outline. First, list the ideas that you plan to develop in your speech. And the second, choose the ideas that sub some other ideas. And the third, determine the order that you want to discuss in the main ideas. Okay, and then I want to share about how to preparing an outline. Okay, when you do a preparation outline, you must pull together many of the subject. Beside the topic and thesis statement, identify the issues and supporting material, and also organize the introductions, body, and conclusions. When you develop the ideas, you have to make a planning of strategy for your speech. And you must checking to make sure which idea that complete and which idea that need to further development. Okay, and now I want to share how to preparing an outline. Okay, first, make sure the overall structure of your outline is correct, and then outlining the body. Statement of topic, general purpose, specific purpose, and thesis must be displayed in outline. And the third, outlining introduction and conclusion. You have to achieve good introduction to help you to create a good first impression too. In the conclusions, there are important elements: summary of main ideas, action desired from audience, and closure device. And the third is outlining transitions. To do this, make some notes between the items in the outline that transition will link. And the last one is setting the supporting material in outline. If you cite supporting material in the outline, you will need bibliography at the end. It will identify all the sources that you prepare in the speech, and you can cite them directly. Okay, and then I want to share about presentation outline. When you finish your preparation outline, you should develop a presentation by speaking an outline. It will be the main notes that you will use during the speech. And the guidelines for presentation outline: first, match structure of preparation outline, and then use keyword. And the third, use of note card. And the last one, use of stage directions. I think that's all. Thank you so much for listening today. Stay healthy and bye.